Losing weight effectively involves a combination of lifestyle changes that promote a healthy, sustainable approach. Here are some key strategies to help you reduce weight. 1. Healthy diet. Calorie deficit. Aim to consume fewer calories than you burn. This can be achieved by controlling portion sizes and making healthier food choices. Whole foods. Focus on eating nutrient-dense whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, like chicken, fish, tofu, whole grains, and healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, seeds. Limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbs. Portion control. Practice mindful eating and avoid eating large portions. It helps to serve smaller plates and avoid eating while distracted. 2. Regular physical activity. Cardio exercises. Engage in aerobic exercises like walking, running, cycling, or swimming to burn calories. Strength training. Building muscle through weightlifting or bodyweight exercises can help increase your metabolism. As muscle burns more calories at rest. Consistency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, spread out over several days. 3. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, which can help control hunger and prevent overeating. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated may reduce unnecessary snacking. 4. Sleep and stress management. Adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain by increasing hunger hormones and reducing willpower. Manage stress. Chronic stress may lead to overeating or cravings for unhealthy foods. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 5. Tracking and accountability. Track your food intake. Use apps or food journals to monitor what and how much you're eating. This helps with mindful eating and identifying areas for improvement. Weigh yourself regularly. While you don't need to obsess over the scale, regular weigh-ins can help track your progress.